somebody requesting this, so it's with chat. Okay, in chat, it doesn't use the memory of the product, whatever product you have selected here. But now it does. It's going to use memory if you click it. Like right now, it doesn't have it. If you click and you say, "What is my product?" for example, it's not going to know what it is because it's not using your memory. Okay, but if we say use the memory, it's going to know that it's using motherly coaching in this example. What is my product? And it's going to know what product it is and all the details about it. So now if I say, write a Facebook ad, it's going to know, it's going to use motherly coaching and it's going to use the details from that and write it for you. Now, let's just say you have a coupon code. It didn't use a company website, but it should have. Rewrite that and fill in my company website URL. It should have that information, but like it's not going to be perfect. ChatGPT is not. So, okay, there. It doesn't have anything in there. If I go to this, it probably has LeadScripts.co. So I probably never filled it out. So if I go to edit product, go to product details, and yeah, see, there's the URL for it. That's why it's doing that. So I'll go back to chat. One thing you need to notice is whenever you come back to chat history, it's not going to have this checked by default. So if I ask it, what's my product, it's going to go right back to this and say, I don't know. But if you click that, it knows what your product is. You're going to write me a social post and it should use motherly coaching. There you go. Okay. And it even used our coupon code there. That if we go back to product details and you look for, we go to product details, very bottom is coupon code. There it is, November 100. So now, if you're going to use chat, you can use memory, you can use it with chat GPT, whatever you want.